exercise number 6.2, question number 6. The top of 15-meter height tower make an angle of elevation of 60 degree with the bottom of the electronic pole, and angle of elevation of 30 degree with the top of the pole. See, here we have the tower. The tower height is 15 meter, and another end we have the electronic pole, that is the electronic pole. Let me take that this is the electronic pole. See, the angle of elevation of 60 degree with the bottom of the electronic pole. This, let me take that this is A, B is the electronic pole, and C, D be the tower. The angle inclined here is 60 degree, and then the angle of elevation of 30 degree with the top of the pole. Top of the pole is, this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. That is the given condition. What is the height of the electrical pole? We want to find out what is the height of the electric pole H. Right? Now see, the total CD is 15 meter. A to B, the line, let me take this is E, another point. So A to B is nothing but E to D. This also H, right? So total 15, this term is H, means then this is 15 minus H. 15 minus H. This position of CE is the total distance 15 minus ED. CE means CD minus ED, right? So 15 minus H. So first we have to say what is that. Let AB be the electronic pole and CD be the tower. By the condition here, the BD is nothing but AE. Here BD is equal to AE, right? And then AB is equal to H meter, CD is equal to 15 meter, and CE is equal to 15 minus H. Now the angle of CBD, the angle of CBD is equal to 60 degree. The angle of CAE, the angle of CAE is equal to 30 degree. Let me take the distance is X, means then distance of AE also X, right? So first I take in triangle. Here the triangle is mentioned right angle triangle. The triangle is BCD. This is 90 degree. This is B is 60 degree. C 15. This is X. In triangle BCD, see, angle is inclined here. Opposite divided by adjacent. The ratio of opposite divided by adjacent is tan theta. Right? Here theta is equal to 60 degree, that is tan 60 degree is equal to the opposite side is CD, that is 15, and then the adjacent side is X. We know the value of tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 15 divided by X. I take this X to this side, X is equal to 15 divided by root 3, right? Next, in the denominator we have the root 3 value, so we want to cancel, so we multiple and divide by root 3. See, 15 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then X is equal to 5 root 3 is the value of BD. Next we take the triangle. Next we are going to take the triangle ACE, the smaller triangle, right? So by the triangle ACE, here we have opposite divided by adjacent ratio. So tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here theta is given as 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to the opposite side is 15 minus H divided by X. We know that tan 30, that is 1 by root 3 is equal to 15 minus H divided by X. I take this X to this side. X divided by root 3 is equal to 15 minus H. From 1, let me take this is the equation number 1. From 1, x is equal to 5 root 3, we know the value, right? From 1, x is equal to 5 root 3. Now in the place of x I am going to apply the value, that is x is equal to 5 root 3 from equation number 1. So 5 root 3 divided by root 3 is equal to 15 minus h. Root 3 is cancelled. Now I take this h to this side, so we get plus h. Here we have already 15. I take this 5 to another side, we get minus 5. So the height h is equal to 10 meter. Here the height of electronic pole is 10 meter is the height of the electronic pole. Thank you, students.